$25 was the average price of this terrain, but do you think it was worth it? The first piece I made here was a statue with some Christmas decorations.
Now that this piece of terrain is primed up black, I'm going to hit it with some truck bed coating, and hopefully this is going to allow for a rougher surface that's going to look a little more like concrete and a little bit less like metal for this particular building.
I like to use this because it hides the wood grain and creates a concrete-like texture. As you can see here, this thing looks really great now that it's all black. So what I'm going to do is use my airbrush to paint most of this stuff up. This here is the Gallery Starter Kit. It's a tankless compressor with an airbrush, and I got to say, I absolutely love this thing. If you're looking for an easy way to get into airbrushing, I highly recommend it. I have the link in the description below. So here I just basically laid down some colors, and you could see the airbrush made short work of it. Then I just dry brushed in some gray because I wanted this to be like concrete and not a metallic sort of structure. The pavement I just dry brushed up with some darker gray. A simple black base coat and a dry brush in some metallics, and this little lamp post was looking pretty good for a Christmas decoration. And the entire statue got painted in some Army Painter Air, and I use a turquoise here, and then I use a quick dry brush of bright bronze to give it that like metallic looking structure. And finally, the entire thing was coated in a heavy base coat of Mod Podge, water, and some black deco art paint. Once it dried, I hit it with a matte varnish, and here you can see it looks great. I really like how the turquoise and bronze came out on that statue. Next up, I decided to go ahead and make like a satellite building. And this thing came together really nicely. Again, I hit it with the truck bed coating just to give it that like concrete texture. And here you can see this thing was ready for paint. Again, with the Gallery airbrush, I laid down my base coat of colors, and I followed the exact same process and just went ahead and dry brushed some gray in there as well. Very quick and very fast, but I think it turned out really nice. And here on these bits, I decided to go with some bright bronze, followed by some gunmetal, just to kind of make like a metallic texture to these panels. And then some metallics on top here, along with the base that held the satellite array. And finally, the satellite itself, at first I dry brushed it in bronze, but I kind of went back to it later because I wasn't super happy with it. The tiles just got a simple dark gray dry brush. And then I decided to go back and hit this with some gold as well. And then when it was all done, I gave it a giant coat in that wash again. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, hit subscribe. I'm really trying to grow the channel. I'm having a lot of hard times these days, but hey, I'm still at it. So if you like terrain and miniatures and 3D printing, stuff like that, smash subscribe. We're always making cool stuff here at the facility. So guys, I got tons of cool videos on my channel. Stick around, check some out, and I'll catch you on the next one.